Material preparation. Main material: APF-C waterproof membrane. Accessories: special sealed tape and special sanded tape. Equipment preparation: agitator, hook cutter, roller, steel roller, brush, broom, spade, hammer, tape measure, steel rule and ink bucket, etc. Substrate treatment: use mortar to round the internal and external corners. The substrate surface should be clean, solid, flat, and remove burrs. If there is visible water on the surface, clean it up. Pilehead treatment. Prepare a 20 cm width brush. Prepare a cementitious crystalline waterproof coating. Use water to wet the pilehead and its surrounding, and then apply cementitious crystalline waterproof coating on the top and sides of the pilehead. And extend 20 centimeters to the structure substrate. Grade beam application. Firstly, cut the membrane according to the size of the grade beam and pre-apply the lapped membrane on the grade beam. Then cut the membrane according to the grade beam size. Cut the membrane at the connection part between grade beam and internal and external corners of pile caps. Fix the membrane to the pile cap's side wall after cutting. Then stick the special sealing tape. Peel off the release liner of the sealing tape and fix the membrane between the grade beam and pile caps. Then cut the membrane according to the grade beam size. Cut 2 pairs of H-shaped and round-shaped tape on the standard sealing tape. Then paste the tape on the internal and external corners at the end of the grade beam as reinforcement. Pile caps application. Cut the membrane according to the size of the pile head. Then apply the membrane on the platform. Overlap the self-adhesive selvage and compact it and forth with steel press rolls. Fill up the gap between the pile head and membrane by polymer mortar, then brush the sealant. Winding an expansion water stop strip around the reinforcement on the pile head and fix with steel wire. Paste the sealing tape surrounded the membrane and compact back and forth with rubber roller. Start apply the first vertical membrane from the internal corner. Cut the downfolded part of the membrane, then peel off the released liner of the sealing tape. Stick and fix the folded part, and compact back and forth with a rubber roller. Select the upper folder part of the membrane, fix it to the substrate, and stick the sealing tape. Peel off the release liner and stick with the additional membrane. Use rubber roller to compact back and forth. Cut the H-shaped and round-shaped tape on the sanded sealing tape. Then paste the tape on the internal and external corner at the pile cap's vertical part at reinforcement. Horizontal substrates. Firstly, lay the membrane on the substrate according to the position line. Carefully adjust the position of the membrane. Peel off the self-adhesive release of the selvage lap and compact back and forth with steel roller. T-shaped treatment for roll-end overlap. Cut the corner and stick the sealing tape. Then peel off the release liner of the tape and overlap the end, and compact it with rubber roller. Cushion and reinforcement work can be placed on APF-C membrane directly, then pouring concrete. Joint between horizontal and vertical membrane. For the corner between substrate and sidewall. Use APF-C without sand for the overlap joint. Then using building template or brick for waterproofing membrane protection on the substrate brick membrane. Damage repair. Cut the repairing membrane according to the size of the damaged part. Make sure the edge of the damaged part to the side of the repairing membrane is not less than 8 centimeters. Stick the sealing tape at the back. Cut it into round corner. Use brush to clean up the damage area. Then peel off the released liner of the sealing tape for repairing. Then compact back and forth by a rubber roller. Finished product protection. When the material is centralized, stack on the membrane. Use building template or wood for protection. Some long-term exposed area, like post-cast strip, should be used mortar for protection. Sprinkle some water on the membrane to prevent welding spark damage it.